In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive customer payments in Xero. First of all, let's navigate through the Xero dashboard to find the tools we need. Start by heading to the top of the screen where you'll see Sales. Click on this option and a menu will drop down in front of you. From this menu, you'll want to select Sales Settings. This is a crucial area where you'll set up how you receive payments, so it's worth becoming familiar with it. Once you're in the Sales Settings, the next step is to click on Online Payments. This section is key to setting up online payment methods and digital wallets. Essentially, what you're doing here is linking Xero with the payment methods you prefer, allowing your customers to pay directly through the invoices you send out. It's incredibly useful for smoothing out your payment process and ensuring everything is integrated seamlessly. Spend some time exploring your options here and select the payment methods that best suit your business needs. Whether it's PayPal, Stripe, or another platform, ensure they're correctly connected. With your payment methods all set up and connected, it's time to move back to the Sales Settings page. Once there, you'll want to go to the Invoice Settings. The Invoice Settings area allows you to customize your invoice templates to suit your brand and make sure everything is in order for when you send them out to customers. So, when you reach this section, take a moment to review your current invoice templates. Now, find an invoice template you wish to modify. Click on Options next to the template and then select Edit. This opens up a new world of customization for your invoices. You can change the look and feel to better match your business ethos. More importantly, while you're here, you want to focus on the Payment Services drop-down menu. This is where the magic happens. This drop-down will show you all the payment methods you previously connected in the online payments section. By selecting the ones you want from this list, you enable customers to choose how they pay directly within the invoice they receive. And there you have it. After following these steps, you've successfully set up Xero to accept customer payments through your preferred methods. It makes the transaction process efficient and ensures a smoother experience both for you and your clients. This setup will streamline how you manage incoming payments and help you spend more time focusing on the important aspects of running your business. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful.